Hi, I'm Linda Lacour Hobar, author of The Mystery of History, and in 3 minutes I'd like to answer, what is President's Day and why is it celebrated? President's Day is an American holiday rich in history because it started as a Remembrance Day on George Washington's birthday. When is Washington's birthday? Well, that's a bit more complicated because in 1752, colonists moved from the Julian calendar, named for Julius Caesar, to the Gregorian calendar, named for Pope Gregory XIII. The update shifted 11 days on the calendar and then some. So when George was a kid, his birthday was February 11th. But at age 20, his birthday moved forward to February 22nd. The year changed too. Can you imagine changing your birthday? That would be weird, but there's more to this story. In 1968, Congress moved the occasion to the third Monday of February so Americans could get a 3-day weekend out of Washington's birthday. That's nice. Since then, tradition has relabeled it President's Day. And by calling it that, we also remember President Abraham Lincoln, the victor of the Civil War, who was born on February 12th. Some Americans celebrate all the presidents on this special federal holiday. Now, let's go to why we celebrate President's Day, because it's not just for appliance sales, though you'll find some pretty good ones on this 3-day weekend. One of the main reasons we celebrate President's Day goes back to George Washington, who was most extraordinary for how he left office as the first president of the United States. You see, after serving 2 terms, George Washington walked away from the presidency. With unrivaled power and the chance to serve a lifetime if he wanted, Washington said goodbye to prestige and goodbye to politics in 1796. He just wanted to retire at Mount Vernon. Yes, George Washington wanted the new nation to experience a peaceful transition of power to the next president without the trappings of a royal bloodline, briberies, or civil war, something all too common in history past. Well, none of our founders were perfectly great men. They had flaws, but they did have great ideas, like the time Washington resigned to move centuries of power from a king on a throne to the voter on the street. Remember that amazing milestone in history when you think of President's Day. And for inspiration, read Washington's famous farewell address, which the Senate still reads out loud around President's Day. Thanks for watching, and for more history through my books, classes, or lectures, visit themysteryofhistory.com.